2121, or like we say in North Kakalaki, 2121. That's right, that's right. Now, I mean, we've already moved into this room, so it might be a little bit messy, but hey, I'm going to give y'all a room tour here at the RIU Palace Peninsula in Cancun, alright? Now, if you'll look right here, you know, this room has a key card. Now, of course, I ain't putting the key card in. I figure y'all can figure that out. But that same key card, well, look at this right here. What happened, guys? What happened? It's like one of them, I can't get it back in. Oh, Lord. I'm in the dark. I can't get it back in. Help me, baby. Help me. There we go. There we go. See? If you take the card out, the lights go out. It's like some of the cruise ships. You got to have your room key in that slot for the lights to work. Crazy, ain't it? But let's go ahead and look at this room. Now, of course, there's a thermostat right there. And which way should we go? I guess we'll walk around, you know, the normal way. And if you look right here, a big old closet. Like I say, we've already moved in. We've got with plenty of hangers. And guys, if you don't have enough hangers, through your RIU app, you can request more hangers. There's all kinds of things you can request. I didn't see anything about alcohol, but you got to request. I mean, more hangers. I said. Okay, so here's you know, plenty of hangers. And it's not just a one-sider, it's a two-sider. Who's that crazy guy in the mirror right there? But hey, plenty of, and then you look right down here, you've got this safe, just like on your cruise ships. You know, you punch in your number and all that. And then we walk right here, around the corner from the closet, we got our little mini bar. We got a coffee maker and some coffee, and well, this doesn't come with it. This is we brought this from home. We bought this at the Walmart, brought that from home. That's for our drinky drinks. Now, speaking of drinky drinks, normally you would have, well, they would have doggone bottles of liquor in there that you could do shots from, but due to the COVID, they won't allow you to do that now. So, all right, what's we got up in this mini bar? Well, they got Pepsi products here at the RIU. They got Pepsi, they got 7-Up, they got Diet Pepsi, they got Canada Dry. I don't know if that's ginger ale or what, but they got some Dos Equis, more Dos Equis, and water. You gotta have water because you gotta hydrate, guys. Always hydrate. Now, if you're drinking alcohol, you gotta hydrate, right? That's right. So you walk on around, and you know, you got your little bench for your suitcase, and you can unpack everything. You got this little dresser here. Now we got all kinds of stuff on top of it. And we got all kinds of stuff in the drawers. We got 4 drawers. And then we got a TV, which you can see right here. We got this big old king bed. Big old king bed. Enough, well, shoot, you could have 3 or 4 people in that bed. But hey, you do you. Now, let's walk on around. We got this little table set up right here. You can see I got my computer and my all my video stuff here. Well, I mean, you gotta have it, right? You gotta do your vlogging. That's what vloggers do. But hey, we're gonna walk on around. We see right here, bam! Oh Lord, I see a beautiful woman out here on the balcony. That's right, out here. Now you can't see a whole lot. You can see better in the daylight, but look at this. You got this big old hot tub. You got these chairs out here. Now, every balcony don't come with a beautiful woman like this right here. I'm a lucky man. That's right. I mean, I'm a lucky man. That's right. Every balcony don't come with one of those. So now we walk on around. We're gonna go back into the room here. And across from that little table where I got all my electronics, you can see we got a little seating area. You can sit there if you wanted to, and you got, it's all decorated with this purple. The whole resort's decorated with purple.
I like purple.
We like purple, that's right. And you can see we got the telephone and another little desk or little drawer where you can put things in, and plugs and all that, and little lights. It's a little fancy, a little bougie up in here, but we like it. So, like again, big old king bed, another little nightstand with a drawer and all that stuff, and bam! What you got? You got this big old tub. Now that tub big enough for at least 2 people. Inside the room right here, they got this open concept kind of thing going on. Now, don't mind the mess. Like I say, we just got in here today, but we got double vanity sinks and all that, and yeah. And yeah, don't worry about the man in the mirror. You got a hair dryer. Cool deal. And right here, off to the left, we've got this big old walk-in shower. And as you can tell, it's got one of them handheld shower heads, and you got one of them rainfall shower heads. And up in the corner here, that's where they keep the towels and that kind of thing. Hey, it's big enough for 3 or 4 people up in this shower. Again, you do you. I took a shower. It was only me. That's right. I had to take a shower. And I like the water pressure. I don't think it was as good as a cruise ship, but it was pretty doggone good, guys. So now we just walk on around, back around here. We get almost to the beginning, and of course, the toilet, it's all by itself. That way, somebody be taking a shower, somebody can go to the potty if they need to. Ain't that a good thing? Now what we got on the wall, man? Oh Lord, I guess that's a power box, a breaker box kind of thing going on right there. We better not mess with none of that. We might not have no more lights. I mean, I pulled the cord out of the thing and it went dark. So, all right, guys, that's the room tour of 2121. We are on the 3rd floor of the Villa, you know, it's adults only villa over here.
Villa.
It's a villa. It's a villa. It's a V-I-L-L-A villa. Not a villain. It's a villa. Ain't that right, baby?
Villa.
It's a what?
Villa.
It's a villa. Look at that. Sweet home Alabama all summer long. Woo! Woo! Y'all hear them bells? That might be supper calling me. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us right here. We did the room tour of 2121 in the adults only section of the RIU Palace Peninsula. This is a junior suite, beachfront. That's right. You can see the beach from our suite. The only thing is, over here at the adults only villa, there are no elevators. So, you have to carry all your stuff upstairs. Well, I say that. They said they would help us, but I declined. So, it is what it is, right? So, anyway, let me get off of here. Oh, Lord, the beautiful Miss Summer. Woo!
See you next time.